Huh?
Alright. Solo or what's the plan?
Yeah. I gotta go over there.
Yeah, you gotta roll really low. Watch that bracket. You gotta scoop it. Yeah, there you go. Alright, go down. The shifter's under.
Remember, like, underneath with the line and shit.
No. No, that's too low. Stop. Stop coming in. Okay, watch this left side. Left side's a little tight.
Okay. Good.
Push. Alright, go down. Just align, try to see if
You gotta lift up the tranny a little bit. Yeah. Alright, I'm going in. Keep lifting the tranny up. Lift up the tranny. Align. I'm gonna go down, push back here a little bit to clear that line. And then we'll get to go to that.
Yeah.
Keep pushing back, align. Alright.
Like up?
Like towards this boulder.
Try to get the motor mount aligned.
Yeah, like look at the motor mounts and try to get them aligned while I'm going down. This one's in his jersey?
No.
No? Don't go to Miguel.
Tighten it and then move.
Yeah, it's because it's crooked. Alright, I'm gonna guide it in. I'm gonna keep dropping. You good, Milan? Is it
Like right above the 3 holes?
Huh?
What? Show him.
Here, nigga. It's in.
Yeah.
Did it clear that line or am I on it?
You're good.
I'm not on it.
No.
Oh shit, actually.
Yeah, this is a little one. Why is it like that? What's up?
Watch it's going.
Huh?
It's moving.
I'm trying to push it up, but
Like here, right?
yeah. I mean, get a jack, bro, so I can hold the train because the train is like holding me down. Go. Okay. Here, I got this. Go watch that in the front.
The mounts are in, it's just that line is a little sketchy. It might just be because it was too gripped. Go. Good shot, let me see. Yeah, I think it's good.
You need to start hitting the gym.
We're good. Leave that jack there.
Oh hell yeah.
Oh guys, that's how you put a VQ35DE into a 350Z. Cojones, my head hurts. So yeah, we'll update you guys as it goes on.
And there's a video
So today turned out to be more than what we expected. We got the motor in the car. It's a good stepping stone for today. Probably gonna stop. Carl came here and decided to test his Amazon oil. So you know, if you guys are interested in Amazon oil,
I'm sponsored, okay?
Wow. If you guys are interested in Amazon oil, we'll hopefully see, you know,
How it goes?
if Carl's car survives. So yeah, a few of our boys came out. Eric in his boat, and then my boy Mitch Q60, pretty fast. Alliance HR, just out here chilling with the squad. And this fucking guy made a mess in my driveway. All right, peace out. Oh. Alright. I guess send it.
Oh, my step with the name with it.
Wow. Try it. You popped one. Get the jack!
There it goes. You guys said you wanted to see the tire.
Oh shit!
Rip. Rest in peace.
Yay!
Rip.
Hey, it worked. What up, guys? Back for another update. So underneath the car, for now, got the test pipes in, O2's tightened, drive shafts in. You guys probably can't see shit, but yeah, that's what we did underneath there. Up here, Miguel's just buttoning up the top plenum and plugging in the last little things here and there. We're gonna go ahead and try to prime it a couple times and then start it just to hear the motor run. And yeah, you know, follow along as we go, putting things back on to get it running. So, alright guys, a little update. We got the exhaust on. Hopefully you guys can see. Wide pipe is on. Single exit's on. Just finished putting tranny fluid in it. That pump right there, man, la loose. Go find that at AutoZone, $10. Thing moves. Little prelude. There you go, checking the oil. Oh my god, guys out here, savage.
Pops eat that, bro.
Yeah, it does.
Alright, you ready for this?
You have the key in the battery, brother? You have the keys?
Should be inside the car.
Yeah, they're right here. What?
Should we get down there and check what's in gear or not?
I mean, it shouldn't be in gear. You want to just bolt the shifter on real quick?
I need to find that screw. But I just need the clutch.
Alright, hold on. The battery's not. Yeah, press the clutch. Hold on. The battery's not even on yet. Alright, the battery's on. Hold on, hold on. Alright, go.
You know, scream about that.
Okay.
Yeah, the battery is dead.
Rip.
Try to like wiggle the terminal. Oh, wait. You might have the battery. Starting right now. There's something.
Alright, second attempt. The starter clip I think was unplugged. They're barely hanging.
Ready?
Yep. Stop. Go. Hold on. Are you? Man, whatever it is, clear and just fucking try again.
If there's any faults, I doubt there's gonna be faults. It hasn't even started. No zero codes.
No codes. Rip.